What started 5 years ago with 80 racers on an icy track has become a winter showcase in Woodbury. The Cold Catfish Cup brings riders from all over the Twin Cities to Carver Lake Park to ride the perfect course. The event has grown every year. This year's race was divided into 2 classes in order to accommodate more riders. More than 200 bikers accepted the challenge of this year's race.
I think I finished second today. Today's race was a lot of fun. Perfect conditions. The trail was, a mix of easy stuff, and it started to rut up a little bit, which gets pretty fun. Great race today.
Every year, the Woodbury Parks and Recreation Department, event sponsors, and trail crew members come together and put on a first-class race. But what really keeps people coming back is the location. The course at Carver Lake Park offers a little something for everybody.
Macon's a very unique course. It changes. It seems like there's sections of this race. Like the first part's kind of more technical and tight, and then it loosens up and gets fast, and then they're out on the lake. A wide variety of conditions. This is one of the better places in town to ride fat bikes in the snow. They keep great care of it. The people that work on this course work really hard. In that sense, it makes it pretty unique.
What's not unique anymore is the idea of riding your bicycle all year round. It's a great way to have fun and stay active in the cold. The fat tire allows for better traction on ice and snow. After that, it's just a matter of embracing the experience and staying warm.
That's the thing about winter biking. If you keep your hands and your feet warm, once you get moving, the rest of you stays warm.
Staying warm was not a problem on this 24-degree day as riders traversed this 6-mile course. As the racers approach the finish line, we are reminded that this event is more about sharing passions and having fun, which is the biggest reason the Catfish Cup gets bigger every year, as organizers and riders are already gearing up for next year's race.
You should come out for next year's race because every year we make it bigger and better. You never know what you're going to get at the Catfish Cup, but we always try to make it a little bit better every year. It is a fun event for everybody, not only the racers, but the fans and spectators that come out and watch.
We'll see you at the 2017 Cold Catfish Cup.
There you go. Good job.